In this video I will show you how to make submenus under, for example, Botilboel. This is a new menu that you have just created, and if we take one that is working like Småskolen, you click on any of the articles and then you get also a menu to the right where you can see a list of the articles that you have under the submenu, so you don't always have to go up here and choose the articles. So how do we do the same with Botilboel? First of all, I'm checking your articles. I can see that you have made 4 articles in this section. So first of all, we need these 4 articles to appear when you drop down here. First level, as you see, if you click on it, there's nothing. It's basically just a fall down link. Here it should be the same, and the 4 articles should come below. I go into menus, main menu, scroll down and find the one that's called Botilboel. There we are, it's here. For good's sake, I will just add some more so I can see all the articles when they come. Now it's showing 50 on the first page. So Botilboel, you have linked to an article there. If I look on Småskolen, it's not linked to an article on the top level, it's just a text separator. And then the submenus, they are all articles. So we're going to do the same. So first, I will go into Botilboel. Just have to find it again. There we are. And I will remove the article, so there's no link at the top level. So I select. I go down and there's something called system link, and there you have something called text separator, which means that there will not be an article linked to this. And I do save and close. So if I refresh my front page, I will now see that if I click on this one, it will fall down but nothing happens. That's just as on the other one, so that's fine. Now let's make the first one, and I guess this will be the first one. So I copy this title, I go into the menu and I say I want to make a new menu, but I see that you have already made one, so let's just edit this one. This is the first sub you have made under Botilboel. So I'll change the title. I will select link to article, single article. I will browse to the article. I'll search on the title, and there we are. And parent item, as you've already made it, is already below the main Botilboel. So this looks okay. I will say save and close, and I will go to the front page and I will refresh. So that's the first one. Now we're going to make the second one. I go back to the menu, new, and I need to find out what's the next article, and you have these 4. I will say this one comes now. Go back to the menu and call it that, and I will link to an article. Link, find that article, link to it. Then I have to go over to parent item and make sure that I put this under the Botilboel. The top level only have one line in front of it. This is where I'll put it. Save and close. Then I repeat this for the 2 next one. Next article I will use is integreringspolitikk. Go back to the menu. Select article, single article. integrasjonspolitikk, some white space, search. There we have it. Again, over here, it's under botilbud. Save and close. And I will make the last one. Kamerater og fellesskap. Back to the menu. Make a new one. Select article, single article. Browse to the article. And there it is. Again, under botilbud. Save and close. I'll now go to the front page and see how it looks. Now I have all the articles here. However, when I click into an article, you will see that I don't have the menu to the left, and the menu is a module. So we have to create, because we have never had a side menu called botilbud, so we have to create that first of all, and that I'm going to do now. I go to extension, go to modules, and here you have some different menus, saksbehandler, eleven, høydepunkter, etc., etc. This is the name of the module. You can see it's a kind of accordion menu. So what I can do to make it easier, I can say type, I can find next and then accordion menu, then I will see all the menus to the left. And of course I don't see the botilbud. So what I will do is to pick the one that is called an intern skole, and I will duplicate it to make a copy of the setup of that menu. And here it is. Now I can open it. And I can change the title. Botilbud. I forgot if it's 1 or it's 2D. That's right. That's the title. I have to publish it. Left position, yes. I have to decide which pages should it show up on. So I click on only on the pages selected, and I scroll down and I see this one, as it is a copy from the intern skole. I have to remove the menu from this, and I have to add them to the botilbud. So now I have made a menu. I have said which pages it should show up on. I have said which position it should be, but I have not decided what it should show. So I click on configure, and I configure the type of menu that I have, and I select from the main menu which main headline it should take the menu from. So now I have to find botilbud. There it is. I mark botilbud, show everything that is below botilbud. I apply, and save. Now I go back to the front page to get it refreshed, and I go into botilbud, and here it comes up. As you see, it's not totally equal design. I will sort that. That's something to do with the CSS files, but at least it works. This website is a little bit special. That's the reason why I have to manually go in and make divisions between this, and I will do that tomorrow. But this is how you do it. So basically the first thing you have to do is, as you have done, you start by going into articles. You have created a category called botilbud, and you have put 4 articles under it. Then you have to go to the main menu. If it is a new top menu, the first level you make as a page separator. so there's no link on it. And all the other articles, you basically create new, you make the title, you link to the article, and you tell the system from which main menu should it drop down from. That's basically how you add a submenu to the top menu, and at the same time install or edit a module for the menu to the left.